Hey y'all, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Kimi, and in today's video we are going to be doing a clutter-free Valentine's Day decorate with me. So I was going to actually pull out all my Valentine's Day decor and declutter everything and just keep what I really wanted. And when I went out to my shed to get the Valentine's Day decor, I realized how little decor I had. And then I was inspired to just use what I had instead of going out and buying any more. So this video is going to be fun. I hope y'all enjoy it. Subscribe if you're new and you like videos like this. Also, at the end of today's video, I'm going to be making some chocolate covered cherries, chocolate covered strawberries, and a really fun pink punch. So let's go ahead and get into it. Before I get started decorating, I just wanted to make my bed, and then also there's a few things in the kitchen I need to straighten up before I can decorate, so we're going to get some cleaning motivation in. It's been in the mid 30s during the day here, and then at night it gets as low as 19 degrees, and that's cold for North Carolina. So we are piling up all the blankets on the bed. This is not normally how we make our bed, but with these temperatures, it's necessary. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Oh, that smile makes me tripping out. I wanna dance with you tonight. Yeah, you close to me, feeling good. I believe I gotta have you in my life. You got that good vibe. I want to spend some time back with you. Moving on to the kitchen, I'm just going to get everything straightened up and cleaned off the countertops, and then I've got quite a few dishes to put away. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. She's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Can live without. Time after time, I'm wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause now it's time to wipe down the countertops, and I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's Lemon Verbena multi-surface cleaner. The one that I can live without. We found love here. Together we will shine, but we know we're running out of time, 'cause we met like strangers in the night. Don't tell me it's over. Now you got that something in the way you smile. I see that spark lights in your dark blue
arms around me. I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me.
I am wrapping up the cleaning and it is time to decorate. So the first thing I do is put a seasonal hand towel on the oven door. And I like doing this because it doesn't take up any extra space on the countertops and it gives me that fun festive look. So I've got this one with a bunch of red hearts as the leaves to the tree and then a bike. And then on top of the stove, I'm just going to put this love sign right here. And then over here next to my utensils and knife set, I'm going to put this, I don't even know what you would call it. It's just a stack with an elephant on it and it says, I love you a ton. So I was debating on making it not say the words and flipping it over, but I decided to show the words. And then I have this little love shack sign that I'm going to put on the wall. I like putting things on the wall and using shelves to decorate with. That way I'm decorating vertically and nothing is taking up space other than the items in the home that are always going to be there. And I've always decorated this way. That way I can have all the fun seasonal decor out, but it's not creating any clutter.
We found love, yeah. Together we will shine, but we know we're running out of time, 'cause we made like strangers in the night. Don't tell me it's over now. I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you.
I am going to decorate my TV stand with these really cute heart signs, and then there's two thicker heart signs that can kind of lay on their sides, so I'm going to put those inside of the TV stand where the garland is. And then y'all probably already noticed that I have some pink hearts and red bows on the tree. So I had the red bows on there for Christmas because bows were super popular in 2024 and I have always loved bows. I always wear bows in my hair. Bows are just so cute and like feminine to me, so love a good bow. But anyways, rambling. I got these hearts from Dollar Tree and they had recently started putting stuff out, so I didn't even see all the Valentine's Day decor that they will have, but they already had these pink hearts out and they're so big that I think it's great for if you still have your tree up and you want to decorate it for Valentine's Day. You won't have to get a lot of them. I think I just bought 3 and I just sprinkled them around there and it just gives you that Valentine's Day feel. So now on top of the refrigerator, I'm going back here where this mirror is. Now this was very difficult because my stool is not very tall and I have short arms, so I feel like I pulled a muscle doing that. You ever reach for something with your arm and then your shoulder like tenses up? Yeah, that's how it felt. Anyway, so it's kind of crooked, but I don't mind it. I am just putting some little hearts up there too, which I'll show y'all some up closes here in a minute. But I was just putting some hearts up there so it would kind of help the crookedness. But I think it looks cute and I'm glad I put something up there because once I decluttered that space, it looked really bare and now I can use that area to decorate with.
So high, just watching him time flies. Make up to him daytime. I can't get enough. 'Cause it's you that I love. I got to have it. You that I yearn for. So why you wanna let this go? I got to have it. You that I yearn for.
The Valentine's decor is pretty minimal this year. I only decorated in the living room and the kitchen, but it is Valentine's Day. I feel like it's not like Christmas, at least for me anyway. So for this holiday, I'm just keeping it simple and I really like how this turned out.
Just let me get close to you tonight. 'Cause he got me so high. Just watching him time flies. Make love to him day night. I can't get enough. Yeah, he got me so high. Just watching him time flies. Make love to him day night.
Alright, y'all, I just got back home from the grocery store. I picked up a few ingredients for today's treats that we're making for Valentine's. So we're going to make a pink punch, and all you're going to need is a Fanta. You could use 7-Up, anything like that, just for the color. So I got the Fanta strawberry. I got the sparkling white grape juice. And then I picked out this rainbow sherbet. Now the recipe I'm referring to called for raspberry sherbet, but they didn't have the full raspberry at the store, but they do have the pink raspberry in here. So that's going to be very exciting. But we're going to make a pink punch with this. And then, of course, we're going to make some strawberry, chocolate covered strawberries and chocolate covered cherries. And for the cherries, I just made sure I got the ones with the stems. That way it would be easy to dip them in. And then we just got the chocolate flavored candy coating to melt to dip our fruit in. So I'm going to start by putting the sherbet in this large bowl, and I'm going to let y'all know the exact measurements based off the recipe I'm following, because I got raspberry Fanta, or no, strawberry Fanta, and the recipe called for Sprite or ginger ale. I don't know what I was thinking. I was thinking the color. But anyways, the actual recipe is 2 48-ounce containers of raspberry sherbet, 2 2-liter bottles of Sprite or ginger ale, and then 1 40-ounce bottle of white grape and cherry juice. So for that one, I used the sparkling white grape. Anyways, this still came out really good. I did make a much smaller amount because there's just 2 of us and I didn't want to be wasteful, but look how pretty this is. So it's also recommended on their website that this would be great for a baby shower or a bridal shower, and I think those would be perfect. So definitely give this a try. I will leave the original recipe linked down below in the description box. And then after I had that, I made the chocolate covered strawberries and cherries. I just heated up the chocolate in the microwave for 2 minutes, mixed it up, and then dipped the fruit in there. And the strawberries were so good. And Erin and I tried the cherries as well. So give this one a try if you haven't tried it before. And if you have someone in your house that loves those cordial cherries, then I think making chocolate covered cherries would be a fun twist on the typical strawberry chocolate covered. Oh my gosh, y'all. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and that's it for my Valentine's decorating for 2025. So hopefully you enjoyed it, and I will see y'all back here tomorrow for a new video. Bye.
Always something in the air. Inexplicable.